Now look what we have in that same garden. Check it out. We still have parsley. Now we have tomatoes. We still have kale. Now lamb's quarters have come in. We're using those. We still have beets. Lots of parsley. Notice, bug action to a minimum. Alright, here we go. Lamb's quarters are moved in. They're really looking nice now when you use these to nourish the body. Just like you would collard greens or callaloo or any other greens. And here we can still eat the greens from the beets. We just harvested all the dandelion. And they're going to have to come back now. But look, tomatoes. And they're all starting to blossom already. And look, and fruiting. Fruiting already. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So, there's always food. And the food is grown. Here's some cauliflower still left. Still munching on those. And man, look how beautiful. Tomatoes are coming in. Real nice. Oh yeah. And then now we have peppers. And still some more beets. And some more tomatoes. And the lettuce are now, look at these beautiful, beautiful blossoms, because all of this is going to be seeds that we can use now. See, they're all drying up. But these are seeds that we can now use to replant when it's time for them. Look, and then you have some wild callaloo coming up right here. Oh yeah, look at that. And there's some more dandelion. And some more tomatoes just coming. And we have gotten rid of, well, not gotten rid of, we harvested the red potatoes, and now we have sweet potatoes. And these are bush type of sweet potatoes. And because it's getting warmer, we put some hay down, and the hay helps to keep the ground moist. So see, the ground is still wet. Look at that. Ground's still wet. And look at this. Look at how green the plants are. Look at how green and nice they are. There's some more cauliflower right there, a little one coming up. We're going to have to harvest that because it's not going to get much bigger. And here's a nice big fat kale. And some more dandelion over there. And we still have fennel over there. I mean, food, 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 continuous gardening, continuous using the plants to help deal with the bugs, to help keep the ground moist. I mean, you can't beat this. Look, 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 look. We're still eating beets, and we haven't harvested them all yet. Right? Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And that's only one half. Look. See? Now the fennel have now started to seed because they're going out of season now. Look at those wonderful. But look, still have plenty kale. Plenty kale. Look at that. We still have plenty kale. Plenty kale. Kale still growing. Fennel still growing. Peppers. Look at how beautiful. And you just don't know how nutritionally dense this kale is. And look, peppers growing along with some hay, parsley, more lamb's quarters. So we can use all of that for juicing. Still dandelion, more peppers, tomatoes right over there, dandelion, holy thistle, clean the blood, keep it strong, keep the sugar bugs from taking over your body. Oh my goodness, look, 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 look. This is just amazing. Look at these lamb's quarters, how they're loving it in the bed. And then here, dill. Look at all the dill. Dill starting to go to seed too. So that we can have, oh, look, look, look. And there is the onions. Green onions. More peppers. More beets for greens. More dandelion. Oh my goodness. Look at that over there. That is a romaine lettuce right there. Right? Look how big and luscious this romaine lettuce is right here. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yes, people. That's how we grow.